money. Like bitch better. Bitch better.
All you ladies. Alright, first things first, guys. The fan is buzzing in the background. That's the usual thing. It's hot, so I have to have something to keep me cool while I record this video for you guys. This makeup tutorial today is featuring this gorgeous brush set from Xtrend Beauty. I'm gonna have their info down below in the description bar. It just comes in this really cute leather case. You just open it up like this, and inside you will find your brushes. So there are different types of brushes in this set, different sizes, eye brushes, and a couple face brushes. And I think it has lip brushes in there too. So that's how that looks. And I just love the packaging right off the bat. It's very, very chic. These two are dirty because I've used them before, so I just put them back in the packaging, which is super convenient, by the way. So today we're going to be creating this Rihanna look with these brushes. I believe it's a 24-piece brush set. The direct link to the product is going to be down below. I want to take them for a test drive today to see how well they are going to help me to create this makeup look. And since I have like eye brushes and face brushes in there, it's gonna be like super cool. So I'm gonna start off with my brows as usual. I'm using the concealer from LA Colors, LA Girl, what the hell? From LA Girl, and I'm not filling in my eyebrows at all. I'm just gonna like conceal them to make them look kind of cute. I might fill them in a little bit, but I just want to see how well it looks after doing this, because her brows were not thick at all in the picture that I saw. And I'm trying not to make them too Instagrammy, even though that's really hard. I just want them to be a little highlighted. Nothing serious at all. Okay, so I'm gonna use one of the brushes from the brush set to clean up my brows. There are actually two in there like this, but they're two different sizes. I'm gonna use this one. It's nice and precise, so it should get the job done. Alright, I'm gonna put some of the concealer on my lids too with the same brush. Alright. Blending that out. Because this look doesn't have to be perfect. You're gonna totally just do the thing. Not gonna be doing like eyeshadow or nothing. I really like that. I'm gonna use like one color in my crease, and I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to be using Hunts in my crease. I don't see any blending brushes in this brush set. This could be somewhat of a blending brush. I'm going to use this one. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's nice and fluffy. And I love how soft the brushes are actually. They're really soft. And this look is so natural, like it literally does not have to be perfect at all. I'm gonna use this gold, which is the Milani Strobe Light Glowing. Alright, I'm gonna use that on my lid. Yeah, baby, glowing. This is really pretty, guys. I love this. Alright, I'm just gonna do mascara, and I'm gonna leave my lashes for last because I don't even know if I'm gonna put them on. Nah, definitely gonna put them on. And I'm just using a regular cheap mascara, guys. This is from Beauty Concepts. Just gonna do like a regular foundation. It doesn't really matter. I don't think it does. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match, and I don't want a lot of foundation because I don't want it to be a cakey look. I just want like a little bit of coverage, not a lot. Alright, I'm gonna do a little bit of highlighting. I'm gonna do two things. I'm using the Black Up Cosmetics highlight and contouring stick, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro. So I'm gonna put the LA Girl Pro on first. Just like not a lot of it. but I do want it to like brighten up my face a little bit. I'm gonna be using the highlighting side. Oh, come on, why? Are you freaking serious, family? Like, why? Anyway. Always a compete with somebody. That's freaking crazy. It's like, seriously? You have one money to cut grass and I know you want to come? That's annoying. I was going to call him now. Really? I don't know how I remember. So I'm going to use the Milani, what is his name? Shine Proof Powder, and this is in the shade beige. I'm going to use that to set my highlighted areas. I already started, but I don't know, my camera timed out, so I'm not going to further set like my highlight. Alright, I'm just going to dust some regular like other powder on my face. I think you'll be done. Alright, so she has like a really bronzy kind of look. This is my favorite brush in the set, guys. It's like an angled brush. It's nice and fluffy. It's like a contour brush. So I'm going to use it to contour my cheeks. So I'm going to take a brown from the Jacqueline Hill palette as well. I'm going to take like probably this one right here. So I'm gonna angle it up this way and just see if I can. Okay. Okay. Good enough. This brush literally just carves out your cheeks perfectly. Especially when you angle it upwards. Alright guys, check this out. It has a huge fan brush. I've always wanted one of these. Look how big that is. Look at that. I'm going to use this brush to pick up some of the same highlighter that I put on my lids. I'm so excited for this part, guys, because I know this brush is gonna like deposit the product like perfectly. So, ooh. Ooh. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my god. Her look. Did I overdo it? Her look was really glowy, so I just want to have the same kind of glowy look, you know? This is literally a highlight. Literally. Yes. Now finally for the lips, I'm going to go ahead and put on some lip liner. Not a lot, because I don't want to have like a line lip look. I'm gonna be doing a lot of gloss because her lip was really glossy, and I'm gonna be putting on 2 products on my lips just for like a little bit of color. Like she had like a little color on her. I'm gonna be using the Matte Amore lip cream in number 28, which is Darling, and number 17, which is Fancy. Both of these are by Milani Cosmetics. Alright, not bad. I'm gonna use the other one now. Just turned out a little bit more pink than I intended, so I'm gonna like wipe off some. Okay. Alright. For my gloss, I'm going to put on the Milani Stellar Light lip gloss in Opalescent. It's like a really cute clear shimmer gloss, but it has like different tones in it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm going to be doing like an official review on all the shades that I have purchased because I got some new products. So I'm gonna hold this on really good. I kind of like clumped some of my lashes together on the bottom, because that's how her lashes look like. Almost looked like she had on falsies on the bottom. I really like that look. So I think I'm done with the makeup, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair to look like hers now. I'm just going to take my locks down from this and and make like a higher ponytail. Alright, I'm just gonna flip it over, make a higher ponytail, and I think I'm gonna do that off camera, guys, because that's pretty simple. Like, the video on my locks will be up by the time this video goes up, so you guys will be able to see it, but I'm gonna see if I can just do the hair part and come back on camera, because that's easier. Soon come. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is the hair and the makeup portion. All I did was put my locks up into a high ponytail and then just use some other locks to wrap around to conceal the string that I used. Yes, baby? I'm ready for to see Ocean's 8 now. Like, I really want to see it so bad, but this is the look she had in Ocean's 8, like this, the faux lock look, and you know, very minimal makeup and all of that. So guys, don't forget to check out Xtrend Beauty. Oh my god. Sorry. Hello, good afternoon. Alright guys, once again, sorry about that. Okay, do not forget to check out Xtrend Beauty for the brushes. They're really soft, they're very affordable, they're really good quality. I can tell, like, spot on, because you guys know I do makeup professionally, so I know they're very good quality. So go ahead, the link will be down below in the description bar. And Xtrend is just a AliExpress store. They have a hair section, so they sell hair as well, and then they have the makeup section where they sell makeup brushes and stuff like that. Really cute little brushes, like they have different types, different sets. You guys should really check them out. And you guys see the packaging, like the packaging is awesome. Thumbs up the video. And also guys, don't forget to follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. I'm gonna have the links down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. Alright guys, well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.